In 1963, a man fooled America's biggest banks with nothing but water and basic physics. Tino De Angelis claimed he owned 1.8 billion pounds of vegetable oil. Banks lined up to loan him hundreds of millions of dollars. There was just one problem. The oil didn't exist. De Angelis had figured out something brilliant. Oil floats on water. So he filled massive storage tanks with water, then poured just a few feet of oil on top. When inspectors came to check his inventory, all they saw was oil. They had no idea they were looking at tanks that were 90% water. For years, De Angelis borrowed against these phantom oil reserves. His company was worth $175 million on paper. But in 1963, everything collapsed. The scandal nearly destroyed two major Wall Street firms. It threatened to bankrupt American Express. Banks had loaned hundreds of millions based on oil that was mostly water. One man had exploited the simplest law of physics to create one of America's largest commodity frauds, all because oil floats.